All right, guys, here we are, the end of September. Final thoughts for the bearded pup and year of the beard. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. Okay, so today we are here. It is the end of September. It is time for final thoughts for the bearded pup and year of the beard. Now, we've been using these products for the whole month of September, and we've done update videos on them throughout the month. So I'll put cards up top as we go if you want to go back and see the full review. This is going to be just kind of final thoughts, going over everything in a nutshell and how it did for the month. So let's jump right in. I'm just going to grab something. I've got everything over here beside me. The only thing I forgot to bring out here was the cologne, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you the cologne, you can check out that video up top. The cologne is amazing. Biker's Blend, that scent profile, we're gonna be talking about it some more in just a minute, but Biker's Blend is a truly remarkable scent, and I think that more companies should go the route of having a cologne in their scent profiles, because if you decide to shave your beard off, you like this scent very well, then you should be able to carry that scent along with you when it comes to a cologne and still be able to smell the way you wanted to smell with the beard oil. So cologne, I think, is an amazing product, and you can check out that video. But let's jump into these other products. So first on the list, let's just go with the beard butter. All right, so this big tub of beard butter is just amazing. 3 ounces. There's the logo on top. This is the unscented, no beeswax, no bull crap. Get you some. And I can tell you, this is probably the product. This and the oil are the 2 things I used the absolute most of, and you can see that. It has that carrier scent to it, but it does an amazing job for my beard. Conditioning, it was just amazing. Put it in after a shower, put it in before you go to bed, and it was just amazing. I love this. This is just a really good butter. All right, so if you're new to my channel, I'm gonna cut in right here and give a little plug. If you're new to my channel, you can check out either the playlist, Year of the Beard playlist, and all the videos are in that playlist, or you can get over to my website, thebeardedoutdoorsman.com. There are 2 pages, 2 pages devoted to Year of the Beard, and you can get over and see all the companies that we have done so far, a little paragraph about each one, and just kind of an overview of what Year of the Beard is. So you can get over and check that out on my website. Over there's also some discount codes and stuff you can check out, so encourage you to check that out. All right, so next let's talk about the beard wash and conditioner. Now we're going to talk about these together because they are 2 peas in a pod. They go together so very well. So we talked about it in the update, but the beard wash is amazing. It's not a stripping wash, but it does a really good job. Your beard feels really clean, it smells really clean when you get done. So the beard wash is definitely thumbs up from me. 8 ounces in this bottle. I'm pretty sure I talked about prices in the update videos. That card's up top. So there's the beard wash. The conditioner, let me tell you something. This is a thick conditioner, and it, in conjunction with these other products, my beard has been so soft for this month of September. It is just absolutely crazy. But the conditioner did an amazing job, just really softening and conditioning my beard while I was in the shower. Biker's Blend scent is amazing in the wash. In the conditioner, it's not quite as strong. That was one of the problems that, I won't say a problem, that was one of the things that I said in the update video was I wish the scent profile was a little bit stronger in the conditioner, just so it just kind of stays with you a little bit. But it was an amazing product to use for the month, and just really did an amazing job softening up my beard. Next, let's talk about the balm. This is Biker's Blend in the Beard Balm, 2-ounce tub. We'll turn it around this way. That sun's probably not going to cooperate, but you've got the Bearded Pup logo there, directions and ingredients, and on the top you have that. So we have dug into this. Now, like I said, I have not used this quite as much as I use that butter. That butter is just something, man, it's just good. This is Biker's Blend. Now, there's a little bit carrier note in that. I don't know if it's the shea butter or the beeswax, but some of that carrier kind of comes out and comes through. But it had a little bit of hold to it, and it was really good conditioning balm. Now, I didn't ever try the balm and the butter at the same time. I just thought that was a little too much, but the balm did a really good job conditioning my beard and giving me a little bit of hold for some of this flyaways, but it did a really good job. I love the balm. And I'm not a huge balm wearer. I don't wear a lot of balms, especially firm holding balms with my beard this length. If they are a conditioning balm, I'll wear them. Sometimes I'll wear it at night, sometimes I'll wear it during the day. But that Biker's Blend scent, that leather, that cedar, I'm telling you, it is amazing. So now let's talk about the oil. So the oil came in this 1-ounce amber glass dropper top bottle. You can see that with the logo around here, and we've got our scent profile right there. And I can go ahead and tell you this bottle is pretty close to empty. I don't know that I can even get anything out on the dropper. I can get that much on the dropper at this point. So pretty much can tell you that using a beard oil every single day, one bottle will last you pretty close to a month. You may have a little bit left over in there. I know when I put it in this morning, I actually had to pour it in my hand because the dropper wouldn't get enough. But this is amazing. Biker's Blend, guys, I'm gonna tell you, if you like, I've said it all month, Biker's Blend is a cologne style scent, leather and cedar. I don't get much cedar. I get that leather, but it's in such a way, I don't know if it's just the type of leather, I don't know what it is, but I can tell you, this is amazing. I love it. Highly recommend you check out Biker's Blend at the Bearded Pup. You will not regret it, I promise. If you like those kind of scents, you need to check it out. But I can tell you, let's see if we can see how much is in there. You see that little bit right there? That's how much I have left. I have used the crap out of this oil. I've used it at night, I've used it during the day, just tried different things up. I did, because this is unscented and it has a little bit of that carrier notes in there, I did kind of put these two together so I could get some scent with it while I put it in. But either way, like I said, I think I said it in the update video, but the unscented, the carrier that comes through this, it goes away. It wears off pretty fast and you just don't have any kind of scent. I've worn this at night and it doesn't give me any problems putting it in 15 minutes before I go to bed. I've had some products in the past that I put them in and the carrier scent was just so strong, I had to wash them out. This, not the case. This smells pretty decent, not that bad. And the carrier portion of this that you pick up kind of on the backside, it goes away too, and you get that Biker's Blend scent profile. So really good products. Thank you so much, Ron, over at the Bearded Pup for participating in Year of the Beard and sending these things out. Up until this month, I have never tried the Bearded Pup, and I can go ahead and tell you they are ranking right up there in the top. Love these products, love what they did for my beard. And I can tell you this, one day, maybe 1 or 2 days this month, it's been kind of a slow month for me. There were a couple days this month that I had a slow day. I just had a lazy day, and so I got up that morning, threw in, washed my beard, went ahead and did a co-wash, or a conditioner, excuse me, went ahead and did the conditioner and got out, didn't even put oil in, just threw the butter in my beard. And then that night, I didn't even put butter in. I just went straight to bed. Got up the next morning, jumped in the shower, didn't wash, didn't condition. And when I got out of the shower, my beard was still soft from the conditioner and the butter the day before. It was amazing. Great products. Highly recommend them. Links will be in the description for the Bearded Pup website. You get over, check it out. Don't forget to check out my website either, thebeardedoutdoorsman.com. And make sure to stay tuned for the rest of the year. We're getting close to the end of the year. This year is going by really, really fast. And tomorrow we start a new month. I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys are too. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you're notified when those new videos drop. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.